For today's recipe, we're going to be cooking raccoon fajitas. For step-by-step directions for this recipe and many others, visit thegreenwayoutdoors.com.
All right, out of all the cooking segments that we've ever done, I think I am uniquely excited about raccoon.
We have cooked raccoon one time, and it was great. I don't know if that was a fluke.
Right.
Doesn't sound like something that would be good, but maybe, we'll see.
The thing is, I feel like it's like proving a point, like to people. Because when they see us out there hunting raccoons, then they're like, I don't know about that. And people are like disgusted by it.
Well, it's good, so.
It is good, and this fajita recipe is gonna make it that much better. Let's get started.
When cleaning your raccoon, you'll want to break the meat down into small fajita-like pieces, cut off all the fat, and soak them in milk overnight. Next, you'll need to spice the raccoon with your chili powder, paprika, ground cumin, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper. Then you'll juice the lemon over the top and mix it well. Next, we'll move over to the stove where you'll add olive oil over medium-high heat. Add your assortment of onions and peppers to the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. This will only partially cook them, but you'll still remove them from the pan and add in your raccoon. Cook that for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add your veggies back into the pan and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Next, you'll add it to a tortilla, plate, and serve.
Between the aroma of the cheese melting and the spices and the peppers and all that stuff, it smells like
Like a fajita?
Okay, yeah, it smells like a fajita, but like
a what?
A fajita, a fajita. I added
Fajita frittata.
Let's give it a try. I said give it a try, not eat half of it. Oh, that is fantastic.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Good
mean-
trash panda. These ones didn't eat trash, to be clear. They ate corn, which is why they taste so good.
Out of a field. It's not like we fed them or baited them or anything like that. We had to find them in the trees.
Why would you say that? Now it sounds like we did.
But we didn't. It should be totally fine. We totally didn't do that. This raccoon was fantastic. This recipe was awesome. Get out, do something nostalgic, something old-fashioned. Go out, try and hunt raccoons yourself. Find this recipe at thegreenwayoutdoors.com. Thanks so much for tuning in. Stay green.